Hey, hi guys, good morning. My name is Srino. Today we will discuss one of the very important technical interview questions. So guys, so that what is my technical interview questions? So by using java8 feature, that is stream API. So what I need to do here is that I'm going to do into that five operation. Start the employee ID, right? I'm going to do in that operation. After that, I need to start the first name, and after that, I need to start that last name, and fourth one start that salary, right? So by using what guys? Stream APIs. Uh, Fifth one is that print the data whose salary greater than 20,000 and who are belongs to Chennai location guys. This is that my requirement, right? So how we can develop this application and how we can print the sort the data and how we can print the data, I will show you with practically. So guys, go to the Eclipse ID, and in that I'm going to creating, this is that project guys, so I'm going to creating one more package here, employee, that package. In that I'm going to creating class employee. Last name I'm going to give an employee. In that I'm going to declaring how many properties guys? Four properties I'm going to declaring: private, integer, id, and private string, first name, next private string, last name, next private string, address, next private double. I'm going to take it as a double salary, right? This is the five fields I'm going to take in. And after that, what should I do? I need to create a getter and setter for setting the data. So source generate getter setter state and select after salary generate. Again, I need to select this source get field constructor I'm going to creating after salary set salary, and after that I need to select and source to string method after employee. So see here guys, it is going to string method, and I'm going to using equal and hash code method guys. So I'm going to source hash code and equals method, and after toString method I'm generating. Done. Right guys. So I'm going to use into that equals method and hash code method. Right. So what should I do? I'm going to create one more class, but I'm going to test that class. So I'm going to creating employee test. Right. In that I'm going to creating main method. Right. After that, what should I do? I need to create a employee list of employee object. Arrays dot as list new employees new employee, and I'm going to give it to that ID. First name I'm going to give in Srino, and last name. I'm going to give in my last name, and I'm going to give an address, HUID. Next, my salary is at 25,000, right? After that, what should I do? We need to create a multiple list of objects. So C, and last, we can create a multiple object, guys, here. Second object, third object, fourth object, yeah, fifth object is enough. And after that, you can give that semicolon is ending. So it will be returning to that list of employees, guys. List of employee object will be written. Where it is. So what should I do? Yeah, I'm going to changing to that address here is 101 101 10. This is that I'm going to give it to that zigzag order, guys. ID 105 107 101 104 102. I'm going to give it zigzag order, and I'm going to give into that name, guys, Raju, and I'm going to give in Suresh, and I'm going to give in what, guys, Mahesh, and I'm going to give in Naresh, right? So guys, you no need to actually that first name, first letter we can give that capital letter, guys. Suresh, right? And yeah, I'm going to give in Raju, Suresh, whatever something I'm going to give in, guys. Whatever Naresh, what, guys, I'm going to give in Mega, right? I'm going to give in some name, last name, and that address is that Chennai, is that Kadapa, and is at Warangal, and is that from where? Maharashtra. No, I'm going to give in that Hyderabad, right? Salary is that I'm going to give in here is that 15,000, is 35,000, 45,000, and 65,000, right? So I'm going to give it, guys. So what is my first? So guys, first of all, what should I to do? I'm going to printing the data. You people can check how I'm going to printing. So this is the data. It will be give to that word, guys. List of employees, right? This is the list of employee object given me. So after that, I'm going to converting into that string dot stream, and I'm going to printing the data by using for each method. So system dot out double column operator println. Done, guys. I'm going to printing the data. You people can check running this application. Okay. See guys, this is that my data. How I'm going to give in that order. Same order it is going to printing. See. 105, 107, 101, 104, 102, right? That name and last name, first name and address, each and everything, give what order I'm going to give in that order it is going to print in. Right guys, salary also you can observe it. So what should I to do? I'm going to give an each here, then you will get restaurant. See guys, right? So what is my requirement here guys? What is my requirement? I need to sort that employee ID first of all. I'm going to sorting that employee ID. See how I'm going to, first of all I'm going to do into that sorting that employee ID guys. First requirement is, this is that my first requirement. I'm going to sorting the employee ID. I'm apply that red color. So how I'm going to sorting, you people can check. So I don't want, I'm going to filtering the converting into stream, and I need to filter the what guys, print the start the data. So what I need to do here guys, dot dot, there is a sorted is that method, right? Sorted method. I'm going to using what class here, interface comparator. This is that customized sorting order, right? Comparator, comparator, and using to that word guys, there is a dot comparing, right? Comparing is that method, and I'm going to using what guys, employee, main class name, employee double column. What I'm going to sorting that data here, ID. So get ID, right guys? So I'm going starting that ID. I'm not able to change in here guys. Starting by using sorted method, there is a comparator. If I want to start the uh, customer sorting, then we can use that comparator, and there is a comparing method is there, and which data I'm going to sorting inside that employee, there is a ID. So I'm using to the double column operator. See here guys, that I'm going to give in that order is employee ID 105, 107, 101, 104, 102. So I'm going to sorting. What sorting it will be, you can check here guys. I'm going to running this application comparator, right? Customer sorting order will be given sorting the data 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Right guys? This is the employee sorted, right? So what should I to do guys? I need to sorting at a time employee ID as well as first name. You people can check here guys. I'm going to sorting that employee ID as well as first, it is that completed. Second requirement is that sort employee ID as well as what guys, sort the first and sort the what guys, sort the first name. See here, I'm going to sort in that second requirement. I'm going to sort in that second requirement guys. First requirement is completed, second requirement. What should I to do here guys? I'm going to sorting the data. So already ID is completed. I'm going to using what guys, dot, then comparing, right guys? You can use to the then comparing is that method. In that employee double column, what guys? I'm going to sort into the first name, right? Get first name. IRST name. Dot get first name employee employ, then comparing, then comparing employee, right? Why it is getting error? Type employee does not define get the first employee name. So what we have to do, we can get that first name, right guys? Go and check first name how it is getting, get first name. We need to get it. Employee dot get first name. This is that variable. Yeah, is that method name, guys. I'm going to use into the method name. You people can check here, guys. What is my name? Srinu, Raju, Suresh, Mahesh, Naresh. This is that zigzag order is there, guys. I'm going to sorting the data based on to that what ID. See here, guys. There is a 101 Suresh, 102 Naresh, 104 Mahesh, 105 Srinu, 105, 107 Raju. The people can check this case. I'm going to sorting the data. Suresh, Naresh, Mahesh, Srinu, Raju. You people can check here. Guys. This is the Srinu. First data is the Srinu. Based on that ID, it is going to sorting the data. 101 is that Srinu. 101. Where is 101? Suresh, right? 101 Suresh. 102 what guys? Naresh. 102 Naresh, right? So 104 what? 104 is that Mahesh, right? 105. 105 is that Srinu. 10 is that 5 Srinu, right? 107. 107 Raju, right? Raju it is going to printing. So this is the second. This is the second requirement, guys. Right? This is that second requirement. And what is that my third requirement? You can check here, guys. So, sort the first employee ID, sorting that first employee ID after employee ID, and sort the first name. So my that next requirement what guys? I need to sort the first employee ID, first name, and what guys? And sort what guys? We need to sort last name. How I'm going to sorting the data? People can check. Very simple it is. Third, this is that third requirement. Go in that and we can check here, guys. I'm nothing doing. See here, my that last name is Nenavat, Ramavat, Katravat, Mudavat, and Megavat. So what should I to do here, guys? Already starting that ID. After that, I need to compare first name. I need to what guys comparing to that what last name. Then you can use the then comparing method, and we can use to the employee dot get last name LAST right. Last name, guys. This is the way we can start the database, right? I'm going to printing the data by using for each step. See here, guys. I'm going to printing the data. You people can check Ninavat, Ramavat, Khatravat, Mudavat, Megavat is there. Here also you can check the previous. This is the previous requirement. I'm going to running that application now. Run as Java application. See here, guys. 101 Suresh Khatrawat. Okay. 102 Naresh. The people can check. 103 based on ID, it is going to sorting the data. First, it will be sort that ID and it will be sort that name. After that, it will be sort that word guys based on to that last name. Right, guys. It is going to sorted. So what should I to do, guys? I need to sort the sort the data based on to that salaries. I need to sort the employee salaries. What should I to do here, guys? My next requirement is that I need to sort the salaries now, right? Yeah, fourth requirement I'm going to doing now. Fourth requirement sort the salary. So what should I to do here, guys? I'm going to using dot dot then comparing here. I need to compare. Come here dot then comparing employee employee double column get salary, right? I'm going to ending. What is my salary? If you can check 35, 65, 45, 25, 15. Here you can check 25, 15, 35, 45, 65. There is a zigzag order is there. I'm going to running this application and if people can check 35, 65, 45, 25, 15. Right guys. This is that based on that ID it is going to sort in the data. But I need to only sort what guys. See guys, I'm going to do into that sorted that salary also. But I want to sort that only salary. Then what we have to do? We can we can use to that word guys. They move to that all those things here or else you can use the word guys. This is the employee gets salary you can use here and remove to that remaining base. I'm going to remove to that entire thing. Then that salary it will be sort. Control X, Control X, comparing dot compare method, employee dot get salary at cost of the get salary. Comparing. Dot for each method. System dot out dot double column entail. Done. If people can check here guys, my salary will be starting based on what guys sending order will be served the data. If people can check 15,000, 25,000, but here is that 25,000, 15,000, 35,000, and 45,000, 65,000. But here getting to that what guys insertion order 15,000, 25,000, 45, 65, and 3 lakhs 55,000. It is 35,000. No, it is 3 lakhs 55,000. Yeah, so it is sorted, right? So what should I to do here, guys? I'm going to give into that what? Yeah, this is that one of this scenario, and what I need to do? I need to uh, get that my fifth requirement. Print the data whose salary greater than 20,000 and who belongs to Chennai location, guys. See here, Chennai location. There is a Chennai location is there, but below 50,000, 15,000 is there, guys. I need to change that salary above that 25, 23. I'm going to do it, right? And I'm going to give in or else yeah Chennai instead of Hyderabad I'm going to use into the Chennai guys. Chennai I'm going to give in two records. See here guys, I'm going to filter the data. First of all, what I'm going to filtering the data here guys, I need to enter data. I need to enter their data and what we have to do here guys, I need to print the only whose salary 25 20,000 and what guys who are belongs to Chennai location. So I need to print. So what I need to do, there is a as list dot stream dot I'm going to filtering the data dot filter method and I'm going to pass in lambda expression dot what guys I'm going to get salary, right? I'm to get salary, getting that salary and whose salary greater than 20,000 or 25,000. Yeah, 20,000 I'm going to give in, right? So I'm going to printing this data guys. First of all, I'm not able to checking to that location address. So whose salary greater than 20,000, I need to print the database. So what I need to do, I'm going to running this application only whose salary greater than 25,000, 20,000 it will be print. See there is a 15,000 salary also is there. Where is that? Yeah, there is no 15,000, right? So what should I do? I will make as a 15,000 for to that one of the customer. So 15,000. So whose salary greater than 20,000? That data I need to print. Run this application. See here, guys. That 15,000 record is not getting. Mahesh record is not getting, guys. Right? Only four record it is printing. Four record greater than 20,000. Right? So if I give to that more than 35,000, guys, I'm going to give in 35,000. You people can check 35,000. I'm going to print in the data whose salary greater than 35,000. Right? Yeah, only two records is there. But what is my requirement, guys? My requirement now whose sa- whose salary greater than 20,000 and who are belongs to that a particular location, guys. So I'm going to give it to the Chennai location. Who are belongs to the Chennai location? That employee data I need to print. So what should I to do? Greater than 20,000, and I'm going to use an AND operator, guys, here. And operator e dot get address dot equals method. I'm going to using what location, guys? Chennai, right? Chennai. That's all. Control S. So that how many record is there, guys? For the Chennai, only two record is there. One is the 65,000. One is the 23,000, guys. Right? So I'm going to printing the data. See here, guys, 23,000 and 65,000 record it is getting 102 and 103. Then what should I to do here, guys? I need to make as a it is that 15,000, right? There is no that condition is not satisfied. That is the reason only one record it will be matched. It will be print case. If people can check, only one record it is getting. Right, guys. This is the way we can print the data, guys. This is that very important into that interview perspective. So you should be practice it, guys. Right? You should be definitely you can practice it. Right? First of all, I'm going to take into that list of employee. I'm going to converting in stream object. After that, I'm going to filtering the data. In that, I'm going to pass in lambdas so that I'm going to retrieve the data from stream object, that is that object available in E, and that I'm going to getting that salary whose salary greater than 20,000, and I'm getting that address equal to Chennai location. So what is my next scenario? I'm going to use into that Hyderabad location. You people can check here, guys, whose salary greater than 20,000 and who are belongs to that Hyderabad location. I'm going to printing. So Hyderabad location salary is that 25,000 is there. Yeah, only one record, that is that 105. You people can check now, guys. I'm going to printing this. Yeah, 105, right? So this is the way we can print the data, guys. So my five requirement I'm going to printed, guys. I'm already given very clearly that code. You can practice it, guys. This is that very simple. If you have to that any questions, please comment me. We'll update you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. We will see tomorrow.